You are going to love the 2010 Fit. The Fit was engineered to be useful, efficient, and reliable. But its most important attribute is its innate charm and coolness. This vehicle has less than 130,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, CD player, power windows, rear window defroster, tachometer, brake assist, rear window wiper, front bucket seats. Come see the car for yourself.